Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Bites. Today, we're talking about something very useful. It's about saving money. We're going to talk about comparing prices. This is something we all do, or maybe we should do it more often. Imagine you want to buy something. Maybe it's a new phone, or maybe it's just a new pair of shoes. How do you decide where to buy it? Do you just go to the first shop, or do you look around? Today, I'll share some tips. We'll learn why comparing prices is smart, and we'll learn some easy ways to do it. First, let's think about why this is important. When you compare prices, you try to find the best deal. A deal means a good price. It's when you pay less money for the same thing. Everyone likes a good deal, right? It feels good to save money. So, how do we find a good deal? The first step is to compare prices. This means looking at how much different shops ask for the same item. Let's use an example. You want to buy a new coffee maker. You see one in a shop for $50. You might think, okay, $50 is fine. But what if another shop sells the exact same coffee maker for $40? That's $10 less. That's a great saving. That $10 can buy you 2 cups of coffee, or maybe some milk for your coffee. To compare prices, you need to check different places. In the past, this meant going to many shops. You would walk from one shop to another. This took a lot of time, but now it's much easier. The internet helps us a lot. Many people like to shop online. When you shop online, you can open many websites. You can look at different stores. You can see their prices very quickly. This is a very easy way to compare prices. You can sit at home, you can drink your coffee, and you can find the best deal. Let's say you're looking for that coffee maker online. You go to one website, it says $50. Then you open another website. It says $45, and a third one says $40. You just saved $10 without leaving your chair. This shows you the power of comparing prices. Sometimes shops have sales. A sale is when shops sell things for a lower price for a short time. They want to sell more items, so they reduce the price. When you compare prices, you might find a sale. This is another way to get a good deal. For example, maybe the coffee maker is usually $50, but one shop has a 20% off sale this week. That means you pay 20% less. If it's $50, 20% off means you save $10, so you pay $40. Finding a sale is like finding a hidden treasure. It's a bonus when you're already comparing prices. Another thing to think about is shipping costs. If you buy something online, sometimes you have to pay for shipping. Shipping means sending the item to your home. This cost can change the total price. Let's go back to our coffee maker. One website sells it for $40, but they charge $5 for shipping, so the total is $45. Another website sells it for $45, but they offer free shipping. Free shipping means you don't pay extra to send it. In this case, both options cost you $45, so it's important to look at the total cost. This means the item price plus any shipping. Sometimes shops have special offers. An offer is like a special deal. It might be buy one get one free, or get $10 off if you spend $100. These offers can also help you save money. When you compare prices, look for these offers too. They can make a big difference. It's also good to check different types of stores, not just online stores. Sometimes a local store might have a better price, or they might offer something extra. Maybe they have better customer service or a longer warranty. A warranty means the shop will fix or replace the item if it breaks soon after you buy it. This is important for bigger purchases. So when you compare prices, don't forget local stores. You can visit them, or you can call them, ask about their prices, ask about any offers or sales. Let's think about a bigger purchase. Maybe you want a new washing machine. This is an expensive item. You definitely want to find the best deal. You can visit a few electronics stores. You can check their websites. You can compare the models. And you can compare the prices. You might save a lot of money, maybe $50 or even $100. This is a lot of money to save. Also, some stores will match prices. This means if you find a lower price at another store, they will sell it to you for that lower price. This is a great way to get a good deal. You can ask a shop, do you price match? If they say yes, show them the lower price you found. This can save you time and money. You don't have to go to the other store. Another tip is to check product reviews. Reviews are what other people say about the product. Sometimes, a very cheap product might not be good quality. It might break quickly. So, saving money on a bad product is not really a good deal. You want to find a good quality product at a good price. Reading reviews helps you with this. It's part of being a smart shopper. So, to summarize, when you want to buy something, especially something expensive, 1. Don't just buy from the first place you see. 2. Compare prices. Look at different shops. Look online and in local stores. 3. Look for sales and special offers. These can give you a really good deal. 4. Consider total cost, including shipping. 5. Check if stores will price match. 6. Read reviews to make sure the quality is good. By doing these things, you become a smart shopper. You will find the best deal, you will save money, and you will feel happy about your purchases. It's a good habit to have. It's a skill that helps you in everyday life. Let's quickly review the important phrases we use today. Best deal, this means the lowest price for something, or the most value for your money. Like finding the coffee maker for $40 instead of $50. That's the best deal. Compare prices. This means to look at the prices of the same item in different shops, to see which one is cheaper. Sale, this is a special time when shops sell items for less money, like 20% off everything. Shipping costs, this is the money you pay to send an item to your home, especially when you buy online. Sometimes it's free shipping, which is great. Special offer, this is a particular deal from a shop, like buy one get one free, or a discount if you spend a certain amount. Remember, comparing prices is not about being cheap. It's about being smart. It's about making your money work harder for you. It's about getting the most value. So next time you want to buy something, take a few extra minutes. Compare prices. Look for that best deal. You'll be surprised how much you can save. And you can use that saved money for something else you really want. Maybe a nice dinner, or a movie ticket, or even to save up for something bigger. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Start practicing them today. You'll feel good about your smart shopping choices. Thanks for listening to Daily English Bites. I hope you learned something new and useful today. Join us again next time for more tips and lessons to help you with your English. Have a great day.